Kia ora koutou. In this video lesson, we are going to be talking about substitution with simultaneous equations. So starting off with these two simultaneous equations, what you want to look for when you're doing substitution, do you have one of the variables that is simply a number? And in this case, we do. So if x is -3, in the other equation, anywhere you see an x, you're going to put the -3. So where we have -8 times x, you will substitute this into the second equation and then solve. So where we have -8 times x, it's now -8 times -3. Negative times a negative becomes 24, and everything else stays the same. And the benefit here is where we originally had one equation with an x and a y. By substituting in for the x, we've now gotten rid of the x variable, and we only have one variable in the equation. Now we can solve it. So looking at our 24 minus 6y is -18. I will subtract the 24 from both sides. We can see here, -18, take away 24 is -42. We know -6y is -42. We'll divide both sides by this -6 to get the y by itself. Now we know that y is 7. And since we have y equals 7, and in the very beginning, we knew that x was -3, we now have the solution for our pair of simultaneous equations. But it's always a good idea. We now know that y is 7. It's going to be a good idea to put that value of y equals 7 back into equation number 2 and solve just to make sure it comes out to be true. That's how you know your answer is correct. Okay, so I went back in, I put y in as 7 because that was our solution. We got y was 7. So -6 times y is now -6 times 7, which is -42. And when we solve that, we have, we add 42 to both sides. -8x is 24. We solved for x and got -3, and that agrees with what we had at the very beginning. So this solution to the pair of simultaneous equations was x is -3, y is 7. Okay, please put this example into your notes and use it as an example, as a model to help out moving forward. Any questions, get them my way. Thanks for watching. Maori mahi, maori ora, ka kite ano.